created my pattern by measuring 20 inches for the width and 4 inches for the length. My fabric choices came from leftovers from previous projects, from satin to lace, and for the elastic I measured 6 inches. To begin the sewing, I threaded my needle with a single thread, knotted the end and cut off the excess. Folded my fabric strip, measured 2 inches inward and started sewing from the 2 inches mark. The stitch that I use is a running back stitch, so for every stitch forward, I do another one backwards. That way my sewing is more secured. And towards the end of the stitching, I stopped 2 inches away. Using my thumb, I inserted it into one end of the stitched fabric and gathered it. Pushed it from the left side to the right side, pressed the sewn seam, inserted my elastic, and stitched the elastic together. Then I matched the opening side and also stitched it. And this is what it looks like right now, with just a little space remaining. I also hand stitched the opening. And this gives you a scrunchie already. Thank you for watching and see you in my next tutorial.